I'm Jen. I'm the founder of the Red Call Emergency Relief Team, and I'm a volunteer for the Red Cross. A bunch of our volunteers are here tonight, staying over on the Regional Disaster Communication Center at the headquarters in Philadelphia. Our volunteers are spending the night in the building, having a pizza party, hanging out. We have cots set up for them. If there's a fire or some sort of disaster overnight, our responders will already be on scene at the Red Cross headquarters to ensure we can deploy to the scene in a timely manner to serve our clients. The Red Cross is always prepared, even in severe weather. To find out more, go to redcross.org.
This has been a Mission Moment.